Alright, hello everybody. So, as you know, a few weeks ago I posted a video of, unfortunately the alarm system broke, but the good thing for me is that I did have a spare adapter here, so I will be replacing it. As you can see, I am kind of dismantling the system right now. You can see I've got my BG12 just kind of hanging off the wire there, and I completely unwired some of the other stuff, um, so that way we can get the system back up and running. So basically all I have to do is just put a wire in the wire nut here, oops, and I gotta rewire a terminal, so it's kind of an easy fix.